This is a morning meditation. Allow yourself to wake up happy each morning, fresh and renewed. Fill yourself with life force energy to begin your day. I recommend waking early enough to experience the peace that morning can bring. This could mean waking before your spouse, partner, or children. Take some time to center yourself before you begin your day by initiating a routine of mindful awareness by listening to your heart. Feel the silence of a quiet house, and before you open your eyes, before your feet hit the floor, ask your I Am presence to join fully with you now. Do this meditation before any thought enters your mind about how you will spend your day. Be aware of the essence of awakening from the dreaming state. Notice how wonderful it feels to wake up in this peaceful, calm space. The key to doing this meditation correctly is to let go of the mind stuff. The endless sound of our critical voice is likened to a tape recorder that plays in our heads and effectively keeps us from feeling our inner peace. We are creatures of habit in how we wake up in the morning and with how we handle the routine of everyday life. Notice waking up in this manner, and as you ease deeper into the calm, peaceful state, that there is a strong desire to stay in the flow of life. Many have experienced new and inspired thoughts arising from this deeper inner peace. Once you have experienced this miracle, it is hard to forget that feeling. It is a mysterious experience that seems to call you to your greater destiny. It is a moment that suddenly fills you with a new vision, and perhaps even your life purpose. Now, think of any questions or problems that need answering. Use prayer to affirm that the answers will come to you easily. And remember to pray from a place of absolute knowing that your prayer will be answered. Now close your eyes and try to visualize any possible outcomes in the form of image, and be mindful of any feelings that come over you. Now move your attention from the problem and become the observer. Notice how easy it is to calm our minds enough to keep ourselves watchful for these exciting opportunities to understand yourself better. Stay in a state of gratitude for a minute or two, and set your intention to remaining alert to any messages, visions, or insights you may receive. Accept and trust these divine messages.